Welcome back to CTV Morning Live. Welcome back to Cleo Hamel from H&R Block, Senior Tax Analyst. It's a shame we only see you once a year. We'd like to see you without the taxes. How about that?
Anytime.
Okay. You can come back down anytime you like.
Thanks.
Tax time. Don't expect any tax forms coming in the mailbox, right?
That's a big change this year, and people are so upset
They're
about it.
wild about this.
Yes.
Why?
I think it's just a matter of consistency. You know, you get the package in the mail, and you know it's tax time.
Right.
The problem is that for some people who maybe don't get out or are not that mobile, what are they going to do? So
Yeah,
that's the
exactly.
big thing. You can go to the post office. You can get the copies there.
I saw them at the post office.
Yes.
I saw one guy take like 8 or 9 copies of the thing.
I've seen that.
Why?
They're probably delivering them to all the people they know that didn't get one.
Oh, I hope so.
Did you know you could actually call the CRA and tell them that you'd really like to have one, and they'll mail one to you?
Will they?
They will.
The funny thing is, and this is one thing that has people upset, is they actually sent a letter saying they weren't going to mail them out.
Yes, and I
packages.
actually heard from someone who told me if they paid for postage to send out that letter, why didn't I just get the package?
At any rate, most of it's done online now.
It is. So you can also download a lot of the forms yourself. It's just knowing what you need to download. Software, you can purchase it online or go to the store and buy it.
You guys have been doing your work online for years now, have you not?
Oh my gosh, we're going back to 1991.
Yeah, but you do provide the written copy if
Sure.
one wants it.
You do. Now, one of the things that is interesting for anyone who is in the e-file business, which is what we call electronic filing from a business perspective,
Yes.
we also have a requirement to ensure that we are electronically filing. Siri really doesn't want to have paper.
No.
It can lead to more errors as well.
Yeah.
Because here's the thing, when you mail in your paper copy, someone physically has to open it and key in that information.
Yeah, you're just prolonging the process. And there, you know, one of the things they gave you when you file electronically is this code, right?
Yes.
This code, I don't know, it always gave me a bit of a problem. Like I could never log on properly, or I'd forget the code, or I didn't have it in the right, you know, caps or lowercase or whatever.
And you had to wait for the CRA to send you that code early enough so that you could go ahead and do your net filing.
Yes.
They've changed it. Now all you need is a social insurance number and a birth date. You don't need that code any longer.
No. Well, let's go through, we've got about a minute left. I want to go through the other changes that you guys have noticed.
There's 2 things on the tax return this year. One particular to Ontario is the new Healthy Homes Credit. It is based on $10,000 of renovations made to your home, strictly for seniors, but renovations you've made to make their life easier to continue living in the home.
Gotcha.
This is different from the renovation credit that was around a number of years ago.
Yes.
This is specific to this function, helping someone stay at home healthy. So
Okay.
$10,000 in receipts. And the other one is the new Family Caregiver Credit. Generally speaking, if you had a spouse or a child that was living at home and you were looking after them, you didn't get much extra in terms of tax break. You can now apply for an additional $2,000 on top of an eligible dependent claim or a spousal claim if you're looking after an infirm spouse.
Fair
or
enough,
parent.
though, eh?
Yeah.
Fair enough. I like that. Anything else that comes in your mind that you want to mention to people?
Well, I think the big thing is, you know, the deadline is still ways away. You know, get your forms if that's what you need. Get the software if that's what you need. RSP deadline is coming up shortly.
Yeah, get that done.
Get the planning
Get
done.
your information.
Correct.
You know what a good policy is, my friends. Get all your information, your documentation, everything you possibly need. March on into your local H&R Block and have them do it for you. It's quite simple, really. I like the idea. I think I'll be coming to see you this year. Things I haven't figured out.
We'll help.
Math is not my thing. Cleo, always a pleasure. Thanks for coming by.
Thanks
Good
for
to see
having
you.
me.